All right, peeps. We're gonna switch it up, man. We're gonna switch it up a lot today. All right. So this was a young lady, and somebody was asking for some bread or something like that. Hold on, let me see. What is this right here? What is this? Why y'all ain't tell me that we could have made ourselves just a little bit more bigger? All right, there we go. Leg out.
Yes. Question. I forgot my wallet at home. Is there any chance I could get like a piece of bread?
No problem. Just want something to eat.
Yeah.
You want a cup of coffee?
You sure?
I'll pay it for you.
Are you sure?
Pay for it, yes.
Why are you doing that?
We're human and we have to be nice to each other. Never
Okay.
know when I might see you on the road and you might be of help to me.
I'm Zachary, by the way. Nice
I'm
to
Sonia.
meet you. Are you sure?
Yes, I will pay for it. Don't worry about it. I'm very sure. If I wasn't sure, I wouldn't do it. We have to be kind to each other. It's okay.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice meeting you, young man. And you do something nice to somebody every day. Pay it forward, it's called.
Can I pay it forward right now?
Next person you see, pay it forward to somebody.
I actually had my wallet right here
Oh.
at $1,000
Oh my God. This guy is something else. Okay.
for you.
No.
Yeah, I'll pay it forward back to you.
What?
Yeah. I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
What's your message to the world?
We're brought up to be kind, not to be hateful. My mother always said we have one blood, and there's no black and white blood.
Yo, bro. That's fire, man. That's freaking fire. Um, so I grew up in this town, Rock Hill, South Carolina, and especially what Green Street Extension about I'll say about maybe 20 years ago. Everybody on that street knew everybody. And this was when, my grandmother was still around. When I tell you most of the women and men that I ran into on that street act just like this right here. When I woke up in the morning, like if I was over there on a weekend or whatever, I would literally go from house to house and sit in, I don't even know if I should say their names on here, but I would sit in there. We would watch, what I'm saying, The Price is Right or whatever. Because some days my grandmother, she would, go out, go grocery shopping or whatever. I don't know what it was, man. I would much rather either walk or just chill at the crib. So when she's out and about or whatever, I'll go over, go see. I want to say their name so bad. I really do. Sit over there, chill. They would bring out some little snacks or whatever, some little candy. We would sit and chill, man. I used to. They actually gave me like my first little gig. Picking up, raking leaves, and I know it's gonna sound crazy, but raking up grass. This because they didn't have like the lawnmower that had like the bag, so it used to have like grass and stuff in the yard. So I used to, rake that stuff up, put it on the side of the street or whatever, man, and make money off of that thing. Then I had, snacks. Then my grandmother would come home. We would watch like the Wheel of Fortune or whatever. Anyway, I'm saying all that to say this, man. There are a lot of good people out there in the world. And I'm so thankful and I'm so blessed to know that I was raised by people that understood this type of mindset. Because there are some other people out there. I'm not even gonna get into it because I don't want to put that in this video, especially when we're reviewing such dope content. Um, but stuff like this should be put out there a lot more often. But these type of videos don't tend to go viral. Most of the time the videos that go viral are people that are on the other side that want to keep up mess and drama and stuff like that. But this right here is the stuff that needs to be shared. This is the stuff that needs to be taught to the younger generation, the kids that are coming up. So, you can easily go out there and volunteer. If you don't have any children, whatever, you can easily go out there and volunteer to be a coach, to be a mentor, to all of these kids that are growing up and start to teach them lessons like this. You got Chat GPT that will literally give you a structured method on how to coach kids the correct way. And you can literally use that in basketball, football, baseball, teaching them morals, values, all the things that most of these kids aren't being taught like growing up now. The importance of communication, the importance of teamwork, looking somebody in the eye when you're talking to them, like shaking hands and just being kind. It's so crazy that we got to say, but just being a kind human being. Not a good girlfriend, good boyfriend, husband, wife, just being a kind human being. And I'm just thankful to be able to review content like this, man, and put stuff out like this. Because I know we do a lot of stuff about relationships and whatnot, but this is the type of content that I want to do more of. So if y'all can, man, send me more content like this because I definitely want to review more stuff like this. What do you guys think about this? See, there is no black and white, right? It's just all of us pretty much have the same blood. That's dope. Y'all let me know what do you guys think down in the comments, all right?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.